Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rinkesh Shah from Mankind Pharma, and will welcome you all to this beautiful evening.
Very nicely put in by Rinkesh, where reality meets real. You put it the other way, where real meets reality. That's what we have tried to do.
With the help of this film, we're trying to create some kind of a memory in which it would really showcase you as a hero, which you actually are.
फिटनेस के लिए वो समय निकाल ही लेते हैं, चाहे तो स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं या फिर रोज साइकिलिंग तो ऑलमोस्ट वो करते ही हैं.
He visited once in our house because he came to some marriage function and his father told you go and see that girl.
After PG, I was so lucky to land up here. This respiratory department is, you can say, the greatest department we have here.
The students are actually the real estate for all the teachers.
Really appreciate the Mankind Pharmaceutical for doing this great job and making a very heart-touching and emotional film on Dr. Rajesh.
जैसे एक पिता को गर्व होता है कि वो अपने बच्चे के नाम से जाना जाए, जैसे एक गुरु को गर्व होता है कि उसका छात्र उससे आगे जाए, वैसे एक अच्छे मित्र को भी लगता है कि वो अपने दोस्त के नाम से जाए.